No.
You showed me the restoration where the person where you picked it up.
I bought it in an auction.
It looked like that.
I bought that. And they had chopped it, put the taillights, the headlights in it. That's it.
Were the back fenders designed yet? But were they sketched out in the drawing?
No. I did the drawing, or had somebody do the drawing.
So you came up with the back end.
Yeah. And the look of it had the right look, but it was made out of wood. And it wouldn't hold up. There's the framework.
So it didn't have any metal structure.
No structure to it. So this was the old wood here.
Right.
And we left it there to figure out, and there's the motor that we put in it.
And you had that much before you bought the car?
Yeah, I had it years.
What was the epiphany when you decided this is the motor for the car?
I saw that injection on this magazine back in the 50s.
Before you had the car?
Before I had the motor.
Oh, I see.
And then I remembered that when I saw this at a slot meet. I bought it for $250.
So you're like, that's the motor.
And I said, that's the motor. Make a display out of it. And I did. And then
so it's a 58 Edsel motor.
And there were 3 of these injection systems made by a rocket scientist in LA. And they were supposed to increase the horsepower by 15%, save you gas and all this stuff. It doesn't. It gets about 4 miles a gallon. So, and this is.
Then we started to fabricate.
Get
correctly.
The metal here. You see the doors. Those are stock doors. We had to go find some doors, and we had to cut them down. But that didn't have the doors.
And of course, obviously, the glass is all made.
Yeah. I have one extra piece of that. And that lifts up.
Oh, wow.
But that's with all the metal.
When you start to get the look of the back end.
Yeah, and the tail. You can see those.
Yeah, the taillights are amazing. What you came up with.
So there's the powder painting of it. We had to powder paint it because this part is part of the car.
This is awesome. I like this.
So
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. It's like
And what would you say was the hardest hurdle of the whole project?
money.
Just throwing money at it.
Throwing money at it. That's it. There's the extension of the fenders. And then these are the tails.
And did you have help with the designer, or did you just sketch it out?
No, I had a guy draw the drawing, and then I went from there with another fellow who did most of the work. And this was a tree guy that did. This is a tree I bought back east. Curly Maple.
Oh, I see.
There was only 3 of these made by a rocket scientist.
oh my gosh. So what am I looking at here?
You're looking at an Edsel motor with a fuel injection.
Oh my God. Thank
Made
you.
in 1959.
And this is the intake?
Yes. 2 of them are the intake.
That's crazy.
Wow.
And that's fuel injected?
Yes.
And what year?
It was on 58 they did it, actually.
Nice.
So this is a V8.
Yeah, it's an Edsel V8.
That's big.
How does it go?
Fast as you want to go. Wow.
That's beautiful. How long you live in Las Vegas?
Acrylic light.
What did they say? That's like these trailers. No idea.
Still live there.
That's cool. Is this a floor?
Studebaker.
Oh, okay. Well, you can tell by the grill. Yeah. No idea.
I think so, but I'm just saying, it's a gorgeous
This
coupe.
is 37 Ford headlight.
Okay.
I love it.
Chopped to 3 inches. And then I wanted a boat.
We got a boat tail.
I got a boat.
Did you know how much you're driving from Las Vegas? That's why I had to ask. I understand. Limited thing.